Assalamualaikum everyone. Introduction, my name is Ria Angelina from grade 12 Science 2. I will share the recipe for making cimol. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Ingredients: tapioca flour, flavoring, wheat, cereal level, water, vegetable oil, PowerPoint, pot, spoon, basin, pan. Ways of making: first, put the tapioca flour into the pot as much as 3 spoons. Then add the spring onions and celery leaves, as well ground pepper, and seasoning to taste. Then add enough water. Then turn on the stove and cook the tapioca flour that has been seasoned. Then let it cook and thicken. Then enter the dry tapioca flour into the basin and mash as 10 tablespoons. Then the dough that has been cooked earlier is mixed with dry tapioca flour. After that, stir the mixture until it is evenly mixed. After evenly, the dough is in a round space until all the dough runs out. Then put all the dough that has been shaved into the pan. After that, pour the oil into the pan and turn on the stove over low heat. Then fry until golden brown. After cook, leave and drain. Lastly, mix with flavoring and ready to be served.